Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a rainbow light. Creating a beautiful rainbow is simpler than you might think, often using items you already have at home. We'll explore a few easy methods to bend and split light into its vibrant spectrum. Get ready to transform ordinary light into a dazzling display of colors with just a few steps. It's a fun and engaging project for all ages. For our first method, grab a clear glass and fill it with water. Position this glass on a windowsill where it can catch direct sunlight. The water acts like a prism, bending the light. Slowly adjust the glass's position until you see a vibrant rainbow appear on a nearby wall or surface. This simple trick uses natural light to reveal the spectrum. Next, let's try a method using a flashlight and an old CD. Hold the CD with its shiny, reflective side facing upwards. Shine your flashlight directly onto this surface. The tiny grooves on the CD act as a diffraction grating, splitting the light. Angle the CD slightly to project a beautiful, shimmering rainbow onto a dark wall or ceiling. It's quite magical. To enhance your rainbow light, try placing a small mirror inside a glass of water and angling it towards the sun. This can create an even sharper spectrum. Darkening the room where you're projecting your rainbow will also make the colors appear much more vivid and striking. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to brighten your home. Experiment with different light sources and angles for unique effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.